Dear students, this is question number 4. It's exercise 6A, chapter number 6, further trigonometry, book 4, 8th edition. In the figure, ABC is a straight line. See, this is ABC, this is a straight line. Angle BCD is 90 degrees. B, C and D, this is 90-degree angle. BC is 6 centimeter. CD is 8 centimeter and BD is 10 centimeter. Okay. Find the value of each of the following sine angle ABD. Okay, so where is angle ABD? First of all, I'm marking it with the color. Okay, so this is angle A, B and D. So we have to find out this angle. Okay, in order to find out this angle, you know that we have to use a sine formula, and sine angle ABD we have to find out. Angle ABD is equals to sine 180 degrees minus theta. This is our formula that we are going using from the last three questions. Okay, so now how can we find out angle ABD? So you know that this is a straight line. It is given in the question that this is a straight line and straight line is equals to 180 degree, and if we subtract angle ABD, so we'll get the angle BCD. Okay, so I'm going to write sine 180 degree minus angle ABD because we don't know the values. So I'm using, instead of value, for example, it's a 120 degree or 130 degree, but instead of value I have to use the name of the angle because the value is not mentioned over here. So now sine 180 degree minus angle ABD, 180 degree minus angle ABD. So it would be equal to sine angle BCD. Sorry, CBD. If we subtract, I'm explaining you once again. This is 180 degree and angle ABD is equals to this, and if we subtract this angle, so we'll get this angle. Okay, are you understanding? This, we'll get this angle. Okay, and this angle is equals to, I am subtracting, this is 180, I am subtracting angle ABD, and if I will subtract this angle, so this angle would be left and it would be equal to angle CBD. So this is angle CBD. And how would I get the value of angle CBD? Now what I have to do, we have to find out the value of angle CBD. So we have to use a trigonometric ratio, that is sine. And you know that sine is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And for this angle, this is the perpendicular side and this is the hypotenuse side. So it would be 8 upon 10, and if we'll simplify, we'll get 4 upon 5. So it would be equal to 4 upon 5. So sine angle ABD is equals to 4 upon 5. This was part A. What we have done, instead of degrees and angles, we have used the name of the angle over here, and then we have found out with the help of sine formula, which was our oldest trigonometric ratio. We know that perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and I have just put the value and solve it. Now part B is equals to what is the question in part B? That is cos angle DBA, and now we have to find out cos angle DBA. And what is the formula for cos? That is minus cos 180 degrees minus theta. Okay, minus cos, what is 180 minus theta? What is the angle over here? I have to write the name of the angle because I don't know the angle. So I'm writing DBA. Okay, first come to the question, where is DBA? This is also the same angle, only the name is different. In first part they started with ABD, and now in part B they started with DBA, but the angle is same. Okay, and we have to find out again this angle, that is CBD or DBA. Okay, so if we subtract both of them, so we'll get minus cos 180 degrees minus DBA. It's mean we'll get angle CBD. So cos angle CBD. And what is the value of angle CBD? We'll get what is the trigonometric ratio for cos is base upon hypotenuse. So this is the angle, so this would be the base. So 6 upon 10 will be the value, and if we'll simplify, we'll get 3 upon 5. So minus 3 upon 5 is the value of cos angle DBA. Now move to part C. It's tan CBD. Okay, tan angle CBD. First of all, move to the picture, and here angle CBD. We have to find out the tan of angle CBD. How can we do that? Again, we have to use this angle and we have to find out tan. Tan is very simple. What is the trigonometric ratios for tan is perpendicular upon base, and for this angle perpendicular is this side, so it's 8 and this is 6. So you have to write 8 upon 6, and it's, if we simplify both of them, we'll get 4 upon 3. So tan angle CBD is equals to 4 upon 3. Okay, for this we have to use these formulas, but for the part C we don't have to use the formula. They have directly asked with this question and we have solved it. So I hope you understood. This was question number 4. Thanks for watching.